Hello all, welcome to the channel. This is Astha, and guys, in this video we're going to discuss about HCL company, their training program, how they recruit candidates for the position of freshers engineers via this training program. Okay, all the details about the program, how you need to enroll with them, what are the eligibility criteria, what package they're going to offer you once you get shortlisted in that training program. Okay, all the details, how this training program work, how this recruitment process works, their selection process, their eligibility criteria, their salary package, everything, all the details I'm going to include in this video. So if you are interested for any kind of role with this company, HCL company, for freshers engineer, and even I am going to share a video on graduate candidates also. So please guys, do watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to get lead information, because previously also I've shared a video on this HCL company and the recruiting for fresher engineers and graduate candidates, but most of the candidates have their doubts, so that's why I'm sharing this video. In this video I'll try to clear all your doubts. Okay, so please don't miss to watch this video. So guys, this is the position of fresher engineers. Okay, HCL hire for fresher engineers role. All the fresher candidates can apply for this opportunity. We'll see in eligibility criteria. First we'll see this program. See, HCL career program for fresher engineers is the launchpad for entry-level jobs in the HCL technologies. Okay, during the 6th month job training, at the end of which a job is assured for those who complete the program successfully. Candidates undergo 3 months of extensive classroom training offered virtually and 3 months of professional practice term where candidates get to work on live projects in HCL technologies. Okay, so guys, ये जो program है HCL first career program, especially for fresher engineers, okay, is the launchpad for entry level jobs in the HCL technologies. अगर आपकी ये first job है, if you're a fresher, you are eligible to apply for this opportunity, and it's a like if you complete your training program successfully, and whoever candidate got shortlisted from that training program got an opportunity to work with HCL technologies, आपका इस पे रजिस्टर करते हैं, आपको ट्रेनिंग दिया जाएगा. 6 मंथ्स का ट्रेनिंग रहेगा गाइस, जिसमें दे विल गिव यू 3 मंथ्स का एक्सटेंसिव क्लासरूम ट्रेनिंग रहेगा, वर्चुअल रहेगा, ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग रहेगा, एंड देन 3 मंथ्स यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन देयर सेंटर्स. ठीक है, जो भी ग्लोबल प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं HCL टेक्नोलॉजीज़ के, आपको वहाँ पर वर्क करना होगा ऑन देयर प्रोफेशनल प्रैक्टिस टर्म. Okay, so this is the 6 months training program which HCL company, okay, this program is known as HCL first career program. Okay, the program goes beyond merely training. It opens viable career options that accelerate professional growth in the IT industry. Students who successfully complete the training program are employed in HCL technologies. ओके, तो गाइज इस ट्रेनिंग में आपको सब कुछ सिखाया जाएगा. यू विल बी ट्रेन्ड लाइक अ प्रोफेशनल एंड टू ग्रो योर करियर इन IT सेक्टर. गाइज, इफ यू वांट टू मेक योर करियर इन IT सेक्टर, this is a really great opportunity for all of you, because it's a completely entry level positions, and here this after successful completion of your training you will get an opportunity to work with HCL technologies. Okay, हम डिटेल में बात करेंगे क्या क्या positions में आपको यहाँ पर opening मिल सकती है. Then the eligibility criteria. So graduate engineers with BE, BTech, BSc, BCA, BVOC, MCA, MSc, CSIT, MS with no prior experience or up to 2 years of experience are eligible. I hope this thing is clear to all of you. यहाँ पर clearly mention है all the branches, all the streams that you are eligible to apply. Okay. MSc अगर आपने किया है तो आपको CSIT में ही करना होगा. अदरवाइज अगर BE, BTech कर रहे हैं आप, या BSc, BVOC, यू आर एलिजिबल. MCA ऑल्सो एलिजिबल. BTech आपने किसी भी ब्रांच में किया है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, यू आर एलिजिबल टू अप्लाई. कंप्लीटली फ्रेशर पर्सन ऑल्सो अप्लाई, एंड इफ यू हैव मैक्सिमम अप टू 2 years of experience, you are eligible. Okay, then 65% and above marks in class 10th and graduation और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन. ओके, सो आपके क्लास 10th के यहाँ पर इंक्लूड नहीं किए गए हैं, बट अगर क्लास 12th में है, क्लास 12th ग्रेजुएशन एंड पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन अगर आपने किया है तो अबव 65% या फिर 65% आपका परसेंटेज होना कंपलसरी है. देन ईयर ऑफ ग्रेजुएशन शुड बी 2017, 2018, 2019 एंड 2020. ओके, तो इफ़ यू बिलोंग टू एनी बैच 2017, 18, 19, 20, you are eligible to apply. Now we'll see the selection process. So guys, first you need to do registration. Okay, and after registration you need to do online counseling with the representative. Then the third one is online aptitude test. आपको एक टेस्ट देना होगा, aptitude test. देन फाइनली आपका ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यू होगा. द कंप्लीट प्रोसेस इज ऑनलाइन गाइज, वर्चुअल प्रोसेस है. यू डोंट हैव टू गो एनीवेयर, but first you need to do the registration. I'll give you details about how you need to do the registration. During registration you don't have to pay any charges. Okay, it's a free charge registration process guys. I'll give you step by step instructions how you need to do that. Okay, then once you registered yourself, you need to go for online counseling with the representative, and then online aptitude test. If you meet the eligibility criteria, you will go for aptitude test and then interview. दिस HCL फर्स्ट करियर प्रोग्राम की अगर एडवांटेजेस से हम बात करें तो द एडवांटेज ऑफ HCL फर्स्ट करियर प्रोग्राम lies in its ability to identify your first job at HCL, train you to be successful in it within 6 months, and place you in it at the end of the training. Candidates who join HCL first career program have the following advantages. First one is नाउ ए प्लस नेक्स्ट ट्रेनिंग. आपको यहाँ बहुत अच्छी ट्रेनिंग मिलती है. इफ यू आर अ फ्रेशर, दिस अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी. दे गिव यू कंप्लीट ट्रेनिंग, ग्लोबल एक्सपोजर, communication and leadership skills they're going to teach you. Along with that, accelerated professional growth, job assurance, employee benefits. Guys, now we'll see about the career path, because if once you complete your training, okay, post completion of the HCL first career training program, you start your career with your HCL in application development, product development, testing, maintenance, support role, spanning across business units such as banking, healthcare, financial services, infrastructure management and engineering services. So you can see guys, यहाँ पर काफ़ी सारे डोमेन हैं and HCL बहुत सारे डोमेन्स में वर्क करता है. So here HCL they're offering you all these positions, like आप डेवलपमेंट में जा सकते हैं, एप्लीकेशन डेवलपमेंट में, प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट में, टेस्टिंग में, मेंटेनेंस में, सपोर्ट रोल में. Okay, so this is the career path of this program. Once you enter the HCL Technologies entry level position, guys, बैंकिंग, हेल्थ केयर, फाइनेंशियल, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, इंजीनियर्स, ये सभी पोजीशंस यहाँ पर, ये सभी डोमेन आपको यहाँ पर मिल जाएंगे. एंड इन डेवलपर, एज डेवलपर इफ़ यू जॉइन देम, यू विल बी जॉइन देम एज जूनियर डेवलपर. दैन द सेकंड पोजीशन इज सीनियर डेवलपर एंड द थर्ड वन इज स्पेशलिस्ट business analyst. Okay, so this is the career path. Then if you join them as support engineer role, you'll be promoted as support senior engineer, then business analyst. So this is the way guys, they have given all the positions and the details. You can check आपको किस तरह से career points यहाँ पर मिलेगा. Entry level पर you need to enter the HCL Technologies, and with time and your efforts you can get promotions and ये सभी career path आपको मिल सकता है. Okay, now we'll see about the program duration. As I told you, 6 months. Okay, starting salary that they are offering guys, okay, for all the entry level positions is between 2.26 lakhs to 2.6 lakh per annum. Okay, so up to 2.6 lakhs per annum they are going to offer you the starting salary package. Okay, so in the entry level as a fresher, or if you have relevant experience in the entry level position, if you'll join them, you'll get the package of up to 2.6 lakhs per annum. Then the fees that they're going to charge you guys here is 1.5 lakhs plus applicable taxes. Okay, so this is your training fees. Once you complete your training, after post training for the program will be conducted by HCL Training and Staffing Services, a subsidiary and divisional of HCL. Deployment with the at HCL post the successful completion of the training program across all criteria. Okay, so once you complete this training program, post training program, you'll get an opportunity to work with HCL company as an employee at their various centers. Okay, HCL follows a stringent selection process here. Each application received is evaluated for multiple parameters like academic track record, year of passing, affinity to HCL location, performance in online tests and interviews. Our eligibility and selection criteria is defined by the needs of our business verticals and is therefore dynamic. Candidates who will meet our eligibility criteria will be contacted for the next step of the application process. Okay, so guys, first you need to do the registration. If you meet all their criteria, eligibility criteria, they will contact you and give you an online counseling session. Once you're okay with all the counseling session, all their things, you go ahead with their aptitude test. Once you're done with your aptitude test guys, and if you clear that thing, you need to go for online interviews. Then you can join their training program of 6 months, and after post completion of successful training program, you may get an opportunity to work with HCL company. I hope all these points are clear here. Still, if you have any doubt related to this program, guys, you can comment me in the comment box. No problem with that. Okay. Now, how you need to do the registration? We'll see that. To do registration, you need to click on apply now. I'll give you a link in the description box as well. You just go read out all the points that I have discussed here, and then you need to click on apply now. Once you'll click on apply now, your portal will get started, and you need to fill your basic details. Okay. Here first you need to enter your first name, your full name, then your enter email ID, whatever email ID is active. Please enter that email ID only, because they're going to communicate with you via that email ID. Then your contact number, this is mandatory. Okay. Then your state, your city, that like if you are living in Maharashtra or Mumbai, you need to enter that way. Then highest qualification. If you have done BE Tech, you need to enter that. If you have done MCA, you need to enter that. Okay. Then your year of passing, select program, class 12th marks percentage, graduation marks percentage. You'll get all the details in the drop box, guys. You just need to select whatever applicable to you. Okay. Then you need to select your program, means whether you're going for fresher engineer profile or graduation profile, because they have one more profile they're hiring via training program, that is graduation program, that is service desk profile. I'll have already shared one video on this program detail. Again, I'm going to share with you how you need to apply and all the details about that program for all the graduation candidates. Any graduation, like if you have completed any graduation, I'm going to give you detailed information like this just in coming few days. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel if you belong to any graduation stream and you want to apply for this opportunity. Then you need to do, click on registration now, and once your here they have given all the instructions also, guys. You just need to go and read out all these instructions. See, online application is for admission to the program offered at HCL First Career. Email ID submitted at the time of registration will be used for all your correspondence. Change in email ID will not be permitted afterwards. Okay, so please guys mention the active email ID only. And then HCL First Career query management system, here given you need to register first with your mobile number, then register and verify your mobile number via ATP. Check on any queries asked us in your sub dashboard. Select the query category and submit your query. If you have any query related to this program, you can ask them, no problem with that. Okay, so this is the steps you need to follow. First you need to register yourself, as I told you, and then you need to verify your mobile with the OTP, fill the application form details, and then submit application. Okay, so this is the procedure, guys. And if you want my help in submitting the application form as well, please let me comment in the comment box. I'll make a proper video, detailed video on how you need to fill the application form as well. Okay, so all the best, guys. If you're a fresher and you can afford this fee, if you're in that condition to afford 1.5 lakhs per annum, guys, this is a good opportunity for all the candidates who are looking to work with HCL Technology Company. Okay, so guys, it's a good opportunity. You can join it, no problem. And I've shared all the details with you in this video. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. And please, guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel if you want to get some new job notifications, latest software MNC jobs notifications, and the recruitment process, how you need to apply for them, how you need to do the preparation, interview question answers, interview experiences of the selected candidates. I used to share all the details on this channel, so guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel.